Welcome to this video on containers. Containers help you organize and structure your workbooks, keeping everything aligned and easy to manage. Whether you're grouping elements, controlling layout, or creating dynamic sections, containers give you more flexibility in how your content is displayed. Let's start by creating a blank container. Just click Layout on the Add Element bar and drag a container into your workbook and start adding elements. Containers make it easy to move multiple things around by clicking and dragging the container into a new position. If you already have elements you want to group, select them and click Create Container. Note how you can nest containers by dragging one inside of the other. Here are some things to keep in mind when using containers. In container styles, you can tweak its appearance with options like padding and spacing to control the gaps between elements, adding or removing background colors, and adding borders. In the three-dot menu of a container, Remove Container will remove the container and keep the other elements in place. Delete will delete the container and its contents. As with many things in Sigma, a best practice with containers is to give each one a clear name like location filters or form inputs. To rename a container, go to the Page Overview panel, find the container, and edit its name. While containers group elements into a single layer or collection, tabbed containers let you switch between multiple layers or windows all within the same space. Think of these like tabs in your web browser. To create a tabbed container, drag one in from the Layout section on the Add an Element bar. Then start adding elements to each tab. Like with containers, you can customize the settings. You can rename and rearrange tabs in the Properties menu, customize the look by adjusting background colors and the tab styles in Format, and you can also hide the tab bar and use buttons and navigations to switch between views behind the scenes. Both containers and tab containers can be nested inside of each other and vice versa. You should use tabbed containers when you need to show different views in the same space. But no matter what container you choose, always make sure to give it a unique and clear name to make your life easier.